Chapter 3 Algebra Exercise 3.1 Continuation. So, first question, seventh one. Evaluate the following using suitable identity. First one, 51 square. 51 square can be written as 50 plus 1 the whole square. 50 is equal to A and B equal to 1. Using the identity A plus B the whole square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. Is how to write that one? A square is equal to 50 square. 50 square can be written as 5 into 5, 25. Then add two zeros. Okay. Next step 2AB. 2 into 50, 100 into B equal to 1. 2 into 50, 100, 100 into 1, 100 only. Then add B square. B square is equal to 1. That is add together 1, 0, 6 and 2. 2601. Can you understand all of you? Yes. Now we are going to see the next sum. Next sum what? Second one, 103 square. 103 square can be written as 100 plus 3 the whole square. Using the identity A plus B the whole square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. Put A is equal to 100 and B is equal to 3. So how to add that one? First step A square. A square can be written as what? 100 square. 100 means 100 square means 100. Then add 2 0. That is called the 10,000. Next second step 2AB. 2 into 100 into 3. 2 3s are 6. 6 into 100 600. Yeah, write it into 600. Then B square. B square is equal to 3 square. 3 square means what? 3 into 3 9. Now add together. 0 plus 9 9. 0 plus 0 0. 0 plus 6 6. 0 1. The answer is 10,609. Do you understand all of you? Now we are going to see the next sum. Next sum what? 998 square. 998 square can be written as 1000 minus 2 the whole square. Using the identity A minus B the whole square is equal to A square minus 2AB plus B square. Put A equal to 1000 and B is equal to 2. So how to add together? First we are going to add A square and B square. A square is equal to 1000. 1000 into 1000. What 1000 into 1000? First we are going to write it 1000. Then add 3 zeros. Then what's the answer? 10 lakh is there. Okay. 1000 into 1000, 10 lakh is there. Then add B square. B square is equal to what? 2 square. 2 into 2, 4. We are going to add together 4, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. That's the answer is 10 lakh and 4. Next one, minus 2AB. We are going to subtract. Minus 2 into 2 what? 4. 4 into 1000, 4000. We are write it in the 4000. Now we are going to subtract. What is 4 minus 0? 4. Next is 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 4, not possible. Borrow from the next column. Next column 0 is there. There is no value for 0. Again we are going to see the next column. Next column also 0 is there. There is no value for 0. Next what you do? We are going to borrow from the next column 1. You have to cut it 1. You have to put it 0. Then say add to here 10 cut, put it 9. Next here 10 cut, put it 9. Here what? 10. What is 10 minus 4? 6. Next 9 minus 0, 9. Next 9 minus 0, 9. 0 minus 0, 0. The answer is what? 9 lakhs 96,004. 4. Can you understand all of you? Next we are going to see the next sum. Next sum what? 47 square. 47 square can be written as what? 50 minus 3 the whole square. Using the which identity? A minus b the whole square. A minus b the whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. First we are going to add the positive terms. What are the positive terms are there? A square and b square. First put a is equal to what? 50. B is equal to 3. So how to add that one? We are going to see 50 square, a square. A square is equal to what? 50 square. 50 square can be written as 5 into 5. 50 square is equal to 5 into 5, 25. Then add 2 zeros, 2500. Next we are going to add the positive numbers. B square. B square means what? 3 square. 3 square means what? 3 into 3, 9. Now we are going to add together 9, 0, 5, 2. That's the answer is 2509. Then subtract the second term. Second term what? Minus 2ab. 2 means what? 2 into 50. 2 into 50 what is there? 2 5s are 10. Okay. 10 means 100. Next 100 into 3. 100 into 3 means what? 300. We are going to subtract 9. 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 3 what? 2. Next 2. What's the answer? 2209. Can you understand all of you? Yes. Now we are going to see the next one. Next one, what sum is that? 297 into 307. So 297 can be written as 300 minus 3. Next 303 can be written as 300 plus 3. Then using the which identity? We are going to a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. First 300 and plus 3. What is 300 and plus 3? Next 300 and minus 3 equal to a square minus b square. So 300 and plus 3 into 300 and minus 3 is equal to 300 square minus 3 square. What is 300 square? 300 square can be written as what? Is 3 into 3 what? 9. Then add 2 0. Then again we are going to add 2 0. That is the value is 90,000. Next we are going to 3 square. 3 square can be written as what? 9. We have to write it minus 9. Can you understand? So 0 minus 9, is it possible? No, it is not possible. We are going to see the next column. Next column, what number is there? 0. There is no value for 0. Then again we are going to borrow from the next column. Next column 100. Hundreds column also 0. Next we are going to see the thousands column. Thousands column also 0. Next we are going to see the 10,000s column. 10,000s column, what number is there? 8. Cut 8. You have to put it, sorry, 9. 9. Sorry, 9. 9 cut you have to put it 8. Then here 10 cut you have to put it 9. Next 10 cut you have to put it 9. Next 10 cut you have to put it 9. Here 10. What is 10 minus 9? 1. Next 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 0, 9. 8 minus 0, 8. The answer is what? 89,991. Can you understand all of you? Yes. Now we are going to see the next one, sixth one. Sixth one, what is there? We have to see this sixth sum. What? 990 into 1010. 990 into 1010. How to write that one? 990. Yes, second one 1010. Okay, we have to, both the numbers are in the same only. So 990 can be written as 1000 minus 10. Then 1010 can be written as 1000 plus 10. Using which identity? A plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. You know that a square, substitute the values of a is equal to what? 1000. B is equal to what? 10. So a square. So 1000 square. What is 1000 square? 1000 square can be written as, how to write it? 1000 square is 1000 into 1000. That is called the 10 lakhs. Can you understand all of you? 10 lakhs. Next 10 square is equal to what? 10 into 10 is equal to 100. Now we are going to subtract. How to subtract? 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 1, not possible. Borrow from the next column. Is a 100,000 column? 0. Next 10,000 column? 0. Next lakhs column? 0. We are going to borrow from the 10 lakhs column. Cut 1. You have to put it what? 0. Next here 10 cut, put it 9. Here 10 cut, put it 9. Here 10 cut, you have to put it 9. Here 0 cut, you have to put it what? 10. Now we are going to subtract. What is 10 minus 1? 9. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 0, 9. What's the answer? 9,99,900. Can you understand all of you? Now we are going to see the next sum. Next sum, what is this? 51 into 52. 51 into 52. 51 can be written as 50 plus 1. 52 can be written as 50 plus 2. Now using the identity. What identity? X plus A into x plus b. X plus A into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Is x equal to what? 50. A is equal to 1 and b is equal to 2. Can you understand? X square plus a plus b x into ab is a 50 square. 50 square means what? 50 square can be written as 2500, 2525. Next 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2 into 50, 3 into 50, 3 into 50 what? 150, 3 into 50, 3 into 50 is equal to 150. Next 1 into 2, A, B. 1 into 2 means 1 into 2, 2 only. We are add together 2, 5, 6, 2. 2652. Can you understand all of you? Yes. Now we are going to see the next one. Next sum what? We are going to see the next one what? Eighth sum. Eighth sum is what? Simplify a plus b the whole square minus 4ab. A plus b the whole square can be written as what? A square plus b square plus 2ab. Can you understand all of you? You have to see that a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Then already minus 4ab is there. Okay, ma? Minus 4ab. Now a square plus b square. Next 2ab minus 4ab. It's the same variables are there. We are going to same variables now. We are going to add and subtract. Here plus sign, here minus sign is there. We are going to subtract 2ab minus 4ab. 2 minus 4, 2 only. That is a bigger number having minus sign. That is therefore we are put is minus 2ab. That is a square plus b square minus 2ab can be written as what? A minus b the whole square. That's the answer. Can you understand all of you? Yes. Now we are going to see the next one. Next one, what is this there? We are going to see that one. Show that m minus n the whole square plus m plus n the whole square is equal to 2 into m square plus n square. We are going to LHS. We are going to prove the LHS. You got the RHS. LHS mean what? Left hand side we are going to say the right RHS means right hand side. We are going to simplify the LHS. You got the RHS. Can you understand all of you? This is m minus n the whole square is equal to what? M square plus n square plus 2mn. Okay, va? Next one plus. In between you have to put it plus. Next one m minus n the whole square. M minus n the whole square means what? M square plus n square minus 2mn. Okay, va? Then we are going to write it 2mn minus 2mn get cancelled. Next remaining terms are what? M square plus m square plus n square plus n square. Is the m square plus m square can be written as 2m square. Then n square plus n square can be written as 2n square. In 2m square having 2 is a common factor and 2n square 2 is the common factor. We are taking out 2 is a 2 into m square plus n square. We got the RHS? Yes. Therefore, Ken's fruit. Can you understand all of you? Now we are going to see the next one. Next sum what is there? We are going to see that one 10th sum. If a plus b then. If a plus b equal to 10 and ab equal to what? 18, find the value of a square plus b square. Using the formula what? A plus b the whole square is equal to. We have to find the value of a square plus b square. So a plus b the whole square is equal to what? A square plus 2ab plus b square. So you have to write that one. How to write that one? A plus b the whole square is equal to a plus b the whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. We know that a plus b the whole square. A square plus b square is equal to what? A square plus b square is, you have to find out the a square plus b square. How do you find the a square plus b square? A plus b the whole square here. This side a square plus b square is equal to a plus b the whole square minus 2ab. Okay. For a plus b equal to what? 10 is there. For a plus b the whole square what? 10 square minus 2ab. ab is equal to what? 18. 2 into 18. Okay. 10 square means what? 100 minus what? 2 18s are what? 36. Is 100 minus 36 is equal to what? 64. Can you understand all of you? Yes. Now we are going to see the next sum. Next sum what? We are going to factorize the following algebraic expression by using the identity a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. First one is z square minus 16. What is z square minus 16? Is a plus b into a minus b. Is it equal to what? Is it first a is equal to z, b is equal to 4. So a is equal to z, b is equal to 4 na. Z plus 4 into z minus 4. Can you understand all of you? Now we are going to see the second one. Second one what is that? 9 minus 4y square. Is using the identity what? A plus b into a minus b. A is equal to what? 3. Is 3 square means 9. Then b is equal to what? 2y. That's the answer is a plus b. 3 plus 2y into 3 minus 2y. Next third sum. 25a square minus 49b square. Is using the identity what? A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. That is 20. A is equal to what? 5a. B is equal to what? 7b. How to write that one? 5a plus 7b into 5a minus 7b. Can you understand all of you? Yes. Now we are going to see the next one. X power 4 minus y power 4. How to write that one? X power 4 minus the x square minus y square the whole square, x square the whole square minus y square the whole square, using the format a plus b minus a minus b. That is called how to write this one. First one we are going to write that one, x square the whole square minus y square the whole square, using the format x square x plus a into x plus y into x minus y, x plus y into x minus y. How to write that one? X square, say a plus b into a minus b format, x square plus y square into x square minus y square. Understood all of you? Yes. Now x square plus y square into x square minus y square mean x minus y into x plus y is the x plus y into x minus y. The answer is what? X power 4 minus y power 4 is equal to x square plus y square into x plus y into x minus y. Can you understand all of you? Now we are going to see the next one. Next one what? Next is some factorize. Factorize the following using suitable identity. First one, x square minus 8x plus 16. What's the formula? A minus b the whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Then using that formula, x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square minus a plus b into x plus ab. Okay, that is x square plus minus 4 plus 4 into minus 4. That is the answer is using the identity x minus 4 into x minus 4. Can you understand? X square minus 8x plus 16 is equal to x minus 4 into x minus 4. Is a x square, x is equal to what? X square into a plus b. A plus b mean a is equal to what? 1 plus b. So a plus b into x plus ab, that is a 4 square. 2 into, that is x minus 4 into x minus 4. Now we are going to see the next sum. Next one what? We are going to see the next one. What is this? Second one, y square plus 20y plus 100. Y is using the identity x square plus a plus b x into a plus ab. That is y square plus 10 plus 10 is a y. A is equal to 1 and b is equal to 10 plus 10, a plus a, 10 plus 10 into y plus 10 into 10. Is a 20y can be written as 10 plus 10. 20y can be written as 10. That is a x plus a into x plus b, y plus 10 into y plus b. Next one, 36m square plus 60m plus 25. This is 36m square plus 60m plus 25 is equal to, that is that 60m can be written as 2 into 6m into 5. See, 36m square can be written as 6m the whole square. 25 can be written as 5 square. Is using the identity x square, a square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to a plus b the whole square. A is equal to 6m, b is equal to 5. 6m plus 5 the whole square, that is 6m plus 5 into 6m plus 5. Can you understand all of you? Now we are going to see that one. 64x square minus 112xy plus 49y square. 64x square can be written as 8x the whole square. 112 can be written as minus 2 into 8x into 7y. 49 square y square can be written as 7 square into y square. So how to write one? 8x minus 7y the whole square. 8x minus 7y into 8x minus 7y. Next one, a square plus 6ab plus 9b square minus c square. Is we are using the identity a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A square plus 6ab plus 3b square minus c square equal to a plus 3b the whole square minus c square. A plus 3b the whole square minus c square. Again using the identity a square minus b square. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. That is a plus 3b plus c. A plus 3b minus c. Can you understand all of you? Now we are going to see the question number 13. That is called the objective types question. If a plus b is equal to 5, a square plus b square is equal to 13, then ab is equal to what? We are going to a plus b the whole square is equal to 25. 13 plus 2ab is equal to 25. 2ab equal to 12. ab equal to 6. The answer is what? Third option. Second option 6. Second option 6. Question number 14. 5 plus 20 minus 20 minus 20 minus 5. 5 plus 20 is equal to 25. Minus 20 minus 5 is equal to minus 25. 25 into 25 is equal to 625. Plus into minus minus. Therefore, the answer is minus 625. That is third option minus 625. Next one we are going to see that one. Question number 15. The factors of x square minus 6x plus 9 are, that is what's the answer? X square minus 6x plus 9 can be written as x square minus 2 into x into 3 plus 3 square. The answer is x minus 3 into x minus 3. Therefore, option is x minus 3 into x minus 3. Option 1 x minus 3 into x minus 3. Next question number 16. The common factors of the algebraic expressions are a x square y and b xy square and c xyz is, that is answer is what? The answer is fourth option xy. Can you understand all of you? Yes. Thank you children. Have a nice day. Thank you children. Bye.